Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So there is a good news for all the DJI Mini 2 users. Yeah, DJI has released a new SDK support for DJI Mini 2. With this SDK, many third-party applications can support DJI Mini 2. So in this whole video, we will be discussing about when this SDK is going to be released and what is the update about Litchi on this SDK. So without wasting much of time, let's quickly get into the video. So firstly, let's understand what is SDK. SDK is a software development kit which is provided by DJI and gives the flexibility for a developer to alter and add a program. So with this, they can support the DJI Mini 2 in the third-party application and add on more features to it. So in the same way, Litchi or any other third-party applications can use this SDK file to develop a application where they can support the DJI Mini 2 and add on specification to it. So if you guys ask me when is this DJI going to release the SDK, so SDK is going to be released on 31st of December 2021. So which all drones are going to be supported in this SDK? So as you can see on the screen, DJI is going to be supporting DJI Mini 2, DJI Mini SE and DJI Mavic 2S. So DJI Mavic Mini was already supported in the previous SDK and already Litchi is present for this DJI Mavic Mini. So we are waiting for the Litchi to develop the software for DJI Mini 2 especially, and let's see how they develop on Mini 2 as well as Mini SE, and let's hope for the good as well for Mavic 2S. So if you guys have a question that however we have done the 15 meters hack in the drone hacks and why do we need Litchi? So even with the Litchi we can fly more than 15 meters, and that is an additional point. And one more feature that we get in Litchi is we get an active control, follow mode and maximum most of the best specifications, wherein drone hacks we get only two features, that is we can hack 15 meters and we can fly more than 15 meters, and wherein as we can boost the FCC signal. But in Litchi we get multiple features where we can use and create some amazing content. So finally, before concluding the video, what is an update by Litchi on this SDK release? So Litchi said that it is going to bring up a beta version for the new SDK released by the end of January. So they did not guarantee it because even SDK is not yet reached to them. So they said that once the SDK reaches them, they will definitely bring up this update as soon as possible. So let's hope for the best, and let's wait for Litchi to bring up, and we'll test multiple things with the Litchi, and we can even make a decision whether we should go with the Litchi or drone hacks. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.